Good morning. Today I'm in Monterey Bay at a minister's retreat. And this morning the Pastor Davina shared with us Psalm 23 written by Eugene Peterson in the Message version. And it begins like this. God, my shepherd, I don't need a thing. You have bedded me down in lush meadows. And that image of lush meadows stuck with me. So I want to share with you a prayer I wrote about the lush meadows. Lush meadows, a field of poppies, a super bloom of wildflowers. But first the rain, first the flood, first the hardness, first the danger, first the fear. First, for some of us, we have walked through the valley of death. Then after the rain. After the rain, a lush meadow, a field of wildflowers where we can lie. We can lie down and wonder. We can lie down and be still. I invite you to listen to the ocean and rest in the quiet of God. Just let those waves in this break between the storms soothe you, comfort you. God, my shepherd. God, my shepherd. We need you in this moment here in our state as the rains come, as the winds blow, as the floods surround us. God, our shepherd, help us to move through the valley of fear, through the valley of death. Help us to remember that you are present with us always, always. In the stillness and quiet, in the storms and thunder, in the calm and churning. God, you are with us always. Amen.